How to fix AW snap error on Google Chrome. I am on my mobile, but this error may also be visible on your PC too. But the steps to fix this issue are absolutely the same on both of the devices. So we will see 5 solutions to fix this issue, and the solution number 5 works 110% for all of the devices without any exceptions. So the solution number 1 is to fix your memory issue. This issue may be encountered due to low RAM or memory. For that purpose, you have to close all the other applications and then try to refresh the page. This will free up some space and your page will be loaded. But if this thing didn't work, then you have to download and install any kind of VPN. You may also not be able to load the page because of the regional restrictions. So as soon as you download and install any VPN and activate it, then try to refresh the page and your page will be easily loaded. But if this thing also didn't work, then the third issue may be your network issue. You may be out of internet. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi or another Wi-Fi network, and then try refreshing the page. But if this third solution also didn't work, then moving towards the fourth solution, you have to switch between the browsers. If you are facing this issue on Google Chrome, then you have to try to load the website on Safari, and if you are unable to load it on Safari, try switching to Google Chrome. And you can also try switching between devices. If you are having this issue on your mobile, then try loading on laptop and vice versa. But if all of these things didn't work, then the last solution, which works 110%, is you have to go to your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to go to your Play Store if you are on Android, and search here Chrome and hit the search button. And when the Google Chrome application appears up, you have to tap on it and tap on this update button for updating your Google Chrome application, and try refreshing the page after updating it. But if even after updating it is not working, then you have to tap and hold on your Google Chrome application and tap on remove app and delete Google Chrome application, and after deleting it, go to App Store again and install Google Chrome again, and then try loading the page. So that's how you fix the AW snap error on Google Chrome. Thank you so much.